Welcome to Beautyistic. We're about to dive into a product that, while not a beauty product in the traditional sense, plays a huge role in how we care for ourselves, starting with a fresh, healthy smile. Today, we're reviewing the Oral-B iO Series 5 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. It's all about giving you that next-level oral care experience. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's take a look. Now, first things first, let's break down what this toothbrush brings to the table. The Oral-B iO Series 5 claims to provide healthier gums in just 1 week and remove 100% more plaque compared to manual brushing. It also boasts a pressure sensor to protect your gums, a 2-minute timer, and 5 different cleaning modes, all in a sleek, white design. So what's really going on with all these features? In terms of features, the standout here is the pressure sensor, which is designed to alert you if you're brushing too hard or too soft, ensuring you're giving your gums the care they need. This feature is something we don't often see on other toothbrushes, and it's crucial for preventing damage to sensitive gums. No more guessing if you're overdoing it with the pressure. Next, there's the iO Light Ring Timer, which gives you real-time feedback to help you keep track of that dentist-recommended 2-minute brushing time. Plus, it celebrates when you hit that mark. There's also a toothbrush head change alert, which might sound like a small thing, but when you're using the brush day in, day out, it's a nice touch that makes sure you're always getting the most out of your brush head. But let's talk about real-world usage. The toothbrush was easy to incorporate into my daily routine. Just a simple switch from my manual brush to this sleek, advanced piece of technology. It's lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold while brushing. The brushing modes are easy to cycle through, and the Oral-B app that pairs with it tracks your brushing habits in real time, guiding you to reach every spot and giving you feedback on your technique. Now onto the pressure sensor. It works pretty well in practice. I tend to brush with a bit more force than I should, and I appreciated how the sensor let me know when I was pressing too hard. If you tend to be a little rough on your gums like I do, this feature really does give you peace of mind. As for the 5 cleaning settings, I have to say they're versatile. Whether you're after a gentle clean, a more intense scrub, or focused attention on your gums, the options are there, and the brush is effective across the board. It's nice to know that you can customize your brushing experience depending on your needs. But nothing's perfect, and there are a few cons to note. One downside I noticed is that the Oral-B app can be a little hit or miss when syncing with the brush, though this may just be a connectivity issue I experienced. The brush head replacement notifications are useful, but sometimes I feel like they come too soon, especially if you're being gentle with your brush and the head doesn't wear out as quickly. Value for money is another consideration. The price tag on the Oral-B iO Series 5 is definitely on the higher end, especially when compared to standard electric toothbrushes on the market. But considering the advanced features, like the pressure sensor, the personalized modes, and the real-time tracking with the app, it might be worth it if you want a more hands-on, tech-driven approach to your oral health. Looking at similar products in the market, some models offer basic electric brushing without the fancy tech and pressure sensors, but the Oral-B iO stands out for anyone looking for advanced features that focus on real-time guidance and long-term gum health. It's a good choice if you're someone who wants to optimize their oral care, especially if you're used to more traditional electric toothbrushes. Now, when it comes to the build quality, the Oral-B iO Series 5 is well constructed. It feels solid in hand and has a modern design with a sleek, glossy finish. The charging case is a nice addition for travel, and the brush head replacements are easy to find online, which makes maintenance hassle-free. As far as longevity goes, the brush should hold up well over time. But like any product, its performance can depend on how often you use it and how well you maintain it. If you've had any experience with Oral-B's customer service, you know they're generally pretty responsive. In my case, I haven't needed to reach out yet, but given the brand's reputation, I feel confident that they'd be helpful if I ran into any issues. So, is it worth the splurge? If you're someone who cares deeply about gum health and wants a brush that can tell you when you're brushing too hard, Or if you like having personalized settings for different needs, the Oral-B IO Series 5 is a solid choice. It's a bit on the pricey side, but the tech features are unique and valuable for anyone serious about maintaining optimal oral health. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.